Oh, my hand's melting. Hey, how's it going? It's Rob with Kick-Ass Powder Coating. We are back. It's probably day, I don't know, 405 on sanding this Jeep. We've gotten through most of the gold on here. This side, we've got a little gold on the back, and then we have the one side left. We've got the fender here. These two fenders have been done, ready for primer. This one I gotta get in with my hand and do a little bit more around here because these were stripped out and I didn't want to drill those things out. They should be fine. So that guy should be ready to go. And we are counting down. We are getting close to getting ready to tape and hit it with the U-Paul primer here. But yeah, come along. Let's get that other side knocked out. And yeah, I'm excited. Oh, and I just still need to shoot that guy. But that's for another day. Yeah, come on, let's do this.
Yo, a good shot to get life to the sheep, fleece nice, but nah, he ain't nice underneath. Got a price on a leash, I don't trust when they speak. Be sound a real spite for the me. Boy, I bleed with the best, got a people, the eagle and downs, I done feed with the flesh, trying to smear with the rain. She believe that I'm blessed, got a speed to the left. All of my clothes, I be eager to mesh, oh no. Might put her on a roster, I bet she gon' dread it. Take all my betters, run through it like betters. Might make her a tenant, the way that she moving it, highly attentive. She speak a little Spanish, and so does a man. I can tell by his panic, a phone blowing up like a goddess. He must be the battery. Beat it up, let me finish. Confidence 8 feet tall, all of my business, can't see yours. Got on my side, I can't see flaws. Tell the chauffeur, don't slam my doors. Speed it up, speed it up, speed it up. Yeah, I done seen enough, seen enough, seen enough. Yeah, I done seen enough. Make condition lifesaver, mint money, made bad like a man. Send a behavior, cause baby gon' give me that again and again. I repent. Cap a bleeding when the last thing he saw was a Van Gogh. Starry night, bullets fly, what's new? Sippin' hot chai in a war zone. Keep it on the low, low, no, don't out here been po since 12. But the look of my girl, a trip to Hawaii, she took to her ex and I took that L. Had to exhale, double XL, transcendental, yeah, I meditate well. Got the only one that's keeping me still. Got the only one that's keeping me still. Hey, yo, we got all the dollars. Hey, hit a mail, blew the check, money verified. Back-to-back shows, that's a marathon. Feel like Farrakhan, now they Farrakhan. Staying out the media, give me a clear mind. I'm a media, no matter where I line. I still rock shit on the op list, A-list, you are not it. Got a brain, but I never will get on top picks. My bliss on a pedestal, take no offense. I ain't no hero, I ain't no hero. Commas and zeros. You know I need those. Money the root of all evil, fruit is forbidden. Treating knowledge made the filthiest dollars we spending on Eve. Out of my please, out of my please. Confidence 8 feet tall, all of my business, can't see yours. Got on my side, I can't see flaws. Tell the chauffeur, don't slam my doors. Speed it up, speed it up, speed it up. Yeah, I done seen enough, seen enough, seen enough. Yeah, I done seen enough.
Hello. I paused the video so we could show you an amazing product. If you guys work on cars and you've never used a penetrating oil or catalyst, whatever you want to call it, this is one of my favorites. PB Blaster. Use this for probably, oh geez, at least 25 years, something like that. If you have rusted bolts and stuff, especially if you work on northern cars, northern guys either have the little thing that heats things up or one of these guys, but this stuff I've used a bunch, different brands on the inside, down on the inside. But all you do is you just soak the bolts that you're going to take out. Go ahead and soak these guys over here in this. I'm going to work it back and forth in there. Once you get it out and it'll kind of stop, you can spray it again since I have kind of a more room to get up to the stem of the bolt. All right, not something I want to break off. Whoop. Oh, it's getting a little loud there. Yeah, this is not strong at all. Back to the old trusty snap-on. This one is really rusty. Don't fail me now, PB Blaster. As seen on TV. I don't think I've ever seen that on TV. I don't know why it even says it on there. All right, slow and steady. Kind of work it back and forth. You can hear it crunching in there. I don't know if you can hear that. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's a crunchy poppy one. Oh, there it goes again there, lad. Oh, yeah. It's coming. Okay. See? Magical Blasterville. Let's see what it looks like. It's nasty looking. Yeah, that's nasty. Oh, thank you. All right, one more here. Oh, did it do it? Did it break off? What happened? Spinning a little too fun. No, come on now. That little piece inside. You know what? Okay, so it came out partially. Oh gosh! All right, let me grab some tools. There's one tool. All right, we're gonna try a couple things. First, we're gonna try the old pry and twist here. Put some tension on the rusty. Oopsie, get back in there. The rusty nut. Okay. I think. All right, let's try this. This might work. That battery's dying. So, let's just cut this head off. Diablo. You guys haven't used the Diablo. Sorry. They make all kinds of cool blades. They make. Oh gosh, that was the ghost. That's the ghost of the garage. Alright, so what the fuck? Okay, am I missing something? I must be missing something. Of course, there's always one freaking hidden. Don't forget your PB blaster, because it's a bit of a rusty bolt. Not really bad rust, just surface rust, but rust on the back of the bolt. Try this guy. Let me go get a new battery. Oh, fresh juice. And let's not get any PB blaster in the eyeball. Oh, there we go. Whoops, freed that guy up. Oh yeah, comes off really easy when you take all the damn bolts out of it, Rob. Jeez. Now if we're gonna put that ugly thing back on, put something on here like a skull or something like that. No, I don't know. They make some cool bumpers I've been looking at. So this is gonna get out of here, and I'm gonna get something cool like, where it's got the little hookity doos, the little LED edge. I don't know. We'll see. All right, let's get the other one off here. And yeah, come on, PB. Well, actually, we already sprayed it. Let's see. This might be able to zip it off for us. Oh yeah. So those soaked long. So that's the best thing. If you ever have a rusty car, just spray the whole car down, let it sit for like a half hour, come back, break all the bolts loose. Yeah. Rock and roll. Let's see how these other ones go here. Ooh, you look a little bit rusty. Oh yeah. Probably that new battery helped a good bit. Where the? Oh, it went inside the bumper. Okay, we'll come back to that. That one's gone forever. Uh-oh. Yep, it's both those inner ones. Those must get the most moisture because they're probably the rustiest ones in there. Okay. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna have to cut that guy. Son of a bitch. You know, it's a stupid little. Mangled it off. Yep, it's this plastic cheap crap. Goodbye, crappy crap. We put something strong, like bull. All right. Get back to sanding. Oh, hi. So we have finished the methodical job of sanding and sanding and sanding and sanding. A little more sanding. Now we're ready to clean her down. Some acetone. Get it all cleaned up. Ready to tape and get her ready for some primer. All right. Let's go. Well, today is an amazing day. We are putting the bed liner on the Jeep. Yes, we are. It's happening. The Rhino, the Raptor liner is going on. So we got the primer on there. We got the U-Paul primer, which this is what they recommend, this stuff. Sprays pretty good. I wish I had a better gun to spray it. I was spraying it out of a clear gun, but hey, it worked. See, we got it all on there. So now, stay tuned. We're about to jump into some Raptor liner and see how that sprays out. Jared said it sprays pretty good. You got to play with the pressure a little bit. So we're going to do that. Attends, tu vois qu'il y a bien quand même. all over my hand. Son of a... Oh, that thing pours like all over my hands, melting. Wear gloves, kids. Shake for at least 2 minutes.
What's the best time for you? We could play your games, but I could never see me lose. And I've been checking out your moves. You will slip and slide, but I can always catch your groove, catch your groove. I've been hurt before and saw you inside me. Pulling on my heart, all the strings will fly, see. You can take the cake, I'm just icing. Blow so quick, never fuck with the Pisces. But I learn quick. We could change shape in a take. With a broken heart and nights apart, I'm wide awake and I'm just still thinking about you. Baby, I've been doing all I can, and baby, I'm not built to fight like on the daily. But you know I just need a little training. And now I'm a little too much. We get stuck in this place where I'm lost without a chase. But I can't seem to find any better use of time. Come on now, baby. Yeah, you know I just need a little training. Come get me. So what's the best time for you? Yeah, we can play your games, but I could never see me lose. Yeah, I've been checking out your moves. You were slip and slide, but I can always catch your groove, catch your groove. But what's the use? Why we so dark? I like this better at the start. Just holding hands, forgiveness free, but we don't backtrack gracefully. Hey, baby, I've been doing all I can, and baby, I'm not built to fight like on the daily. But you know I just need a little training. And now I'm a little too much. We get stuck in this place where I'm lost without a chase. But I can't seem to find any better use of time. Come on now, baby. Yeah, you know I just need a little training. Come get me. So what's the best time for you? We could play your games, but I could never see me lose. And I've been checking out your moves. You will slip and slide, but I can always catch your groove, catch your groove. I can't remember all the things that you had said, but stories come to me when I'm alone in bed. You never call, but I get letters all the time. I see your signature whenever I get out of line. A shocking twist of undecided energy, a mix-up all betwixt and apprehensive you and me. You'll never call, but I hear stories all the time. You'll never call, but I hear stories all the time. I never knew if I could count on you, but at least I always knew that you tell your truth. I can get smart, but it never get used. One that never gets as confused as two. Cream of the crop, no time is lost. My best, it's yours, you'll take the lot. We can't exist while I persist. You can be all you can be if you think I would limit it. Even if I give you everything, it would never be enough. It would never be enough. So why do I stay up at 3 a.m. thinking I
The Raptor liner is on the Jeep. So yeah, we are Raptor lined. Oh, look at the Raptor liner. It'll make you a little crazy when you put some Raptor liner on your truck. Oh, look at it go. It's quite nice. This will be the most corrosive resistant Jeep ever. Let's look at the wrong camera. Where's the camera? Where's the camera? Oh, it's right there. Sorry. All right, look at the gun candy. Will be here tomorrow. And you know what happens then? Color change time. We're gonna let this cure overnight. I gotta get out of this freaking route. But yeah. Oh, fresh air. So much nicer. All right. So yeah, come back. We'll be putting the color change on. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm really excited. Can't wait. Can't wait. Oh yeah, I can see the color changing now. Not yet. Oh, hi. What they don't tell you when you spray Raptor liner, it ends up like everywhere. Even if you put stuff down, you got little specks. I covered most of the stuff, but man, if you ever want gritty floor stuff, yep, yeah. Feels like I got sandpaper on the floor now, which is not bad because this floor, when it got wet, was like glass and you'd ice skate around. So it kind of actually worked out for the better, but it doesn't look good. So I'm gonna redo the floor. Hey, maybe I'll redo the floor in Raptor liner. I wonder if that's been done. That's not a bad idea. Just I don't think if you soaked up, if you spilt oil or something. I don't know. That might be a thing. Maybe we do garage transformation Raptor liner. I don't know. Probably not. Bad idea. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, be cautious and cover more. Luckily, I didn't think much over there, but I did get a little on the ceiling, I think. Yeah. Oh yeah. Because I was spraying these parts up there, so there's just a little more texture to the ceiling up there now. You don't really see it, but anyways, that'll be another episode of what not to do when spraying Raptor liner. Yes. So thanks for tuning in. All right, we're in the paint area of the garage. We've got our Cerakote, and we have our razor bag. That's the color pigment that goes into the clear that we are going to be going down. Whoa! It's a little strong. I forgot how bad that stuff was. Let me get some gloves. Oh, you don't want to get this stuff on your skin. Not good for your skin. That's so cool. Alright. Alright. I'm going to toss this in the gun. Meet me over at that first part there.